Alright guys, I'm back man, I'm back with more fucked up shit man. That's me inside India. Okay, this man first 2 days like a dome now. Alright, now he's cutting up the tomato scenes. Yeah, this man got skills. Yeah, check that man's fingers out, my bro. This man was a mechanic or something back in the charam, my bro. Alright, he scrapes at that tomato with his hands again, seems. Alright, add some vegetables. Now he takes that tomato, my bro, half in the pan, half on the floor, seems now. Yeah, alright, cups on. Right. Hey bro, those mensen waste the yellow food, my bro. Half in the pan, half on the floor, my bro. All of those mensen. Alright, they adds half of that bakkie olie, my bro. Alright, puts on a show for us. Now, kyk hier, at this point, I'm impressed. With this, nah, I'm impressed. Nah. Nah, this bro got skills. This bro got skills, master chef skills. Seems like. What's that, the eentje there with that man's ear, my bro? The eentje. Alright. Start to mix it up, my bro. Seems like. Alright. Take some spices, what is it? Some MSG. Alright. And this man looks so depressed while he's doing it, my bro. Looks so, yeah, it's a yellow curry spice, my bro. It's a yellow spices. Can you imagine how it must smell there, my bro? Yeah, in that pan, look at how that pan look, my bro. Yeah. That pan is seen the yellow shit already. Alright, it throws in the egg. Alright. Huh? My bro, this man this man just reach in there with his hand and take out that shell like that. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, he mixes it up again. Right? My bro, where's this man's front teeth, my bro? Where's this man's front teeth? Alright, continues to mix it up. Alright. Yeah. Check how that look. Yeah. Yes. Even that bro at the back, he's thinking, check his face. He don't know what the fuck that bro is making. He's checking what the hell is going on. He himself don't know what is going on here. Alright, yeah, they throw him. What is this Tanya stuff? Coriander. My bro, those means I like to add in this green stuff, my bro, but with their food. They believe no matter how cock they make it look, if they add in that green stuff, nah, someone is gonna eat it right. Yes. What is that, my bro? Yeah, right, the pan is ready. Oh, is he gonna start again now? With what? Oh, he's gonna throw. Just. Nah, kyk hier. Yo. Nah, kyk hier, fuck the dishes, man.